Using 6 to 8 stitches per inch, I'm stitching right within the 1/4 inch seam allowance, just a fraction under the 1/4 inch. And I'm stitching from the high shoulder to the center front neck. Leave a thread because I'm actually going to be pulling on these threads a little bit. Flipping over and stitching from the other shoulder to the center front neck. This way the fabric is pushed the same direction on either side. This neckline is real scoopy and round, so a lot of the grain is more biased and tends to stretch out, especially in this nice loosely woven linen with a batiste underneath it. So it stretches, the neckline will have stretched a little bit more than the pattern, and by using a basting or easing stitch, I can ease it back into shape. You can see the puckers. That's partly from cutting, it relaxes, and actually the stitching pushes it and makes it grow a little bit. But the stitching also enables me to pull it back into shape. So what I'm going to do is lay the fabric on top of the pattern. You can see it's a little bit shorter. It's puckered in and a little misshapen. So I'm going to pull this very gently. If you have a hard time getting a good thread, take a straight pin or needle and pull it out. I don't need it up at the shoulder area. I only need it in the scoopy area. And I'm gently gathering it in, and if I gather too much, I can pull it back out. I just want the final fabric to be the exact length of the pattern in the neckline. You can see on the right-hand side where I'm pulling now, up at the shoulder, it's a little bit longer, it's stretched. So we have to pull these back in. And when you pull them back in, make sure that the notches align around the neckline, as well as the whole body area is the same length as the pattern in the neck. If you liked this video, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and spread the word.